Okay, folks, for example number 3, this says solve the equation. Now, I want to take just a second to talk about this word, solve. This word means get the variable. Can someone finish that for me? Raise your hand if you can finish that one for me. Ian? By itself. Okay? Now think about the problems we've been doing. Okay? What is currently with the variable? What is with the variable? Sarah? Well, the plus sign, but I mean, if this wasn't here, that, okay? So I'm not really talking about the plus sign. What is the M? The M's not by itself right now. Maggie H? You mean it has 11 negatives with it? What would make those 11 negatives cancel out and go away? What would make them go away, Ian? How many positives? 7 positives would make 11 negatives go away? 11 positives. So that means I need to combine 11 positives down here. Do you agree with me on that? Okay, but wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who can tell me what we're talking about here? Suzette?
Algebra.
This is algebra. And in algebra, Suzette, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So if I put 11 positives on the left side, CB, I need to put 11 positives on the right side. Now, just like the problems we've been doing, what happens when I combine 11 negatives and 11 positives? What happens, Catherine? You get 0, or they cancel out. Same thing, right? These just go away. And it leaves me with what? What does it leave me with over there, Christina? M. But now when I combine -4 and positive 11, what does that leave me with? Maggie H?
7.
Positive 7. So M equals 7 positives. All right. Done. Solved. Let me try another one. I'm going to throw another one out there. How about this one? Remember, wait, what does solve mean? Raise your hand if you can tell me what solve means. What does the word solve mean for us? Pace?
Get the variable by itself.
Did I get the variable by itself?
Yes.
It's by itself on one side and numbers on the other, right? Okay, so I solved for M. M equals 7. All right, let me try something else. How about T plus a negative, positive, negative, negative 13 is equal to positive, negative, negative, positive, negative 12. Okay, what should we do first here? This is kind of crazy, but what should we do first here? Christina?
Simplify.
Let's simplify all of these things. Should that be T plus 13 or T minus 13? What do you think, Christina? How many negatives are there in front of the 13?
3.
There are 3. Is that an odd or an even number? And what does odd mean? So it should be T minus 13 is equal to, what should that number on the other side be? Harry? Negative 12, because I have 3 negatives on that side. How do I make the negative 13 go away, or 13 negatives go away? Pace?
You put positive 13.
I need positive 13s to cancel them out. But Suzette, what is this?
Algebra.
So I need to do it to the other side also. Okay? Now, what happens when I combine these two things, Sam? They cancel out, and what am I left with over here on the left side? I'm sorry?
1.
Not 1. What am I left with over there, Sarah? Not -1. On the left side of this equation, that's this side over here,
T.
I'm left with T, Sam, thank you. And now, Sam, I'm sorry, I see what you're saying. What do I get on the right side?
1.
+1. Perfect. And I'm running out of time. Great job, I love that. Good stuff.